Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code DTC P2135 refers to a voltage correlation issue between the throttle position TP, sensor A, and sensor B in the Honda HR-V models from 2016 to 2022. This code indicates that the performance of sensors is not matching as expected, potentially leading to erroneous feedback to the vehicle's powertrain control module, PCM. The TP sensors help regulate engine performance and fuel efficiency by monitoring the throttle valve's position. Their correct function is critical for optimal engine performance, and the sensors are generally located on or near the throttle body of the vehicle. Identifying and diagnosing this issue promptly is crucial to prevent further complications in vehicle performance and reliability. The DTC description provides a snapshot of the issues the vehicle might be experiencing. The confirmed DTC P2135 signifies that the system has recognized an incorrect voltage correlation between TP sensor A and TP sensor B. It is essential to note that a pending DTC indicates that the failure might still be intermittent, while freeze frame data can capture engine parameters at the moment the fault occurred. Using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, is crucial during this process, as it allows for accessing system DTCs and the necessary freeze frame data to understand the conditions leading to this DTC. This information can guide technicians in recreating the conditions under which the fault occurred, leading to more effective diagnosis and repair. A variety of factors can lead to the appearance of DTC P2135. Firstly, faulty TP sensors are often a primary culprit. These sensors can become damaged or worn, leading to incorrect voltage readings. Secondly, loose or corroded connections between the sensors and the PCM can disrupt communication, causing a discrepancy in the voltage being sent to the engine control module. Finally, issues with the PCM itself, including outdated software, can also trigger this DTC. Thus, diagnosing the wrong component can lead to unnecessary repairs, making careful verification crucial during troubleshooting. When DTC P2135 is active, various symptoms may manifest, impacting the driving experience. One significant symptom is erratic engine performance, where the engine may hesitate, stumble, or respond inconsistently to throttle input. Another common symptom is a noticeable reduction in fuel efficiency, as improper sensor feedback can negatively affect fuel delivery and engine operation. Furthermore, drivers may observe the activation of the check engine light on the dashboard, indicating that the vehicle requires immediate attention. These symptoms emphasize the importance of timely diagnosis and rectification to ensure smooth vehicle operation. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P2135 involves verifying the issue's existence. Begin by turning the vehicle ignition to the on position, which powers the vehicle without starting the engine. Next, utilize the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear the existing DTCs. This action resets the DTC memory and allows for a clean slate approach. Subsequently, turn off the vehicle entirely and then switch it back to the on position to initiate the diagnostics. It's crucial to select the ETCS test option within the HDS inspection menu and check for any pending or confirmed DTCs. If P2135 appears, it confirms that the fault exists and guides technicians to proceed to the next troubleshooting steps. In this next step, determining the potential failure area is critical. Start by ensuring the vehicle is switched off by placing it in the off lock mode. Then, utilize the HDS to jump the SCS line, which is the service check system responsible for diagnostic procedures. Following this process, disconnect the PCM connector C, specifically the 51-pin connector, to enable a thorough check of continuity. Within this disconnected state, check the continuity between test points across the specified pins in the PCM connector. This procedure helps to identify whether there is an electrical continuity issue within the wiring or connector itself, which could be causing the fault. If continuity is established, that guides to the next troubleshooting step. Otherwise, further actions regarding PCM updates or substitution will be required. The final troubleshooting step focuses on ensuring that the wiring related to the throttle body is functioning properly. Begin by disconnecting the throttle body connector, a 6-pin connector that interfaces directly with the sensors responsible for throttle position. Upon disconnection, once again, check for continuity between the specified test points. This will ascertain the status of the wiring between the PCM connector and the throttle body. If continuity is found where none should exist, this indicates a short circuit between the THL1 and THL2 wires, and repair is necessary to fix the wiring issue. Conversely, if no continuity faults are found, it suggests that the throttle body itself may be malfunctioning, and replacement would be warranted to restore normal functionality. Once the necessary repairs and replacements have been conducted, it is essential to perform a final verification of the repair. Start by clearing the DTC once again using the HDS to ensure that any lingering codes are removed. Following this, a test drive is recommended to monitor the vehicle's performance under practical driving conditions. During this test drive, keep an eye on the engine's responsiveness to throttle inputs, ensuring it operates smoothly without triggering any fault codes. Once confident that the vehicle operates correctly, recheck the system with HDS to verify that no further DTCs appear. This final verification confirms that the issue has been addressed successfully. To minimize the risk of encountering DTC P2135 in the future, implementing preventive maintenance is crucial. Regular inspections of connectors associated with the throttle position sensors and PCM can help catch potential issues before they lead to failures. Additionally, keeping the PCM software updated ensures optimal functionality, accommodating any improvements made by the manufacturer. Also, ensure that wiring is correctly routed and protected from heat or abrasion, which could compromise the integrity of the wires and connectors. These preventive measures can significantly extend the lifespan of vehicle components, leading to fewer unexpected DTCs. In summary, DTC P2135 is a crucial indicator of issues related to the TP sensors within the Honda HR-V models from 2016 to 2022. Following a diligent troubleshooting guide is essential in identifying the specific cause of the fault. Whether due to sensors, connections, or potential PCM issues, the importance of each step cannot be understated, as thorough diagnostics prevent further mechanical complications and enhance overall vehicle reliability. Furthermore, implementing proactive measures such as regular inspections and software updates can significantly lower the chances of recurring faults, keeping the vehicle's performance at an optimal level. Through a comprehensive understanding and careful application of these steps, technicians can ensure durability and reliability in vehicle operation. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.